Okay, so you want to learn how to find cash flowing properties, and our platform, Airdeed, is by far the best platform for that. Why is because we have these algorithms that we've created, one to identify the most likely tenant occupied properties via the algorithms that we use, and they are highly accurate with that. But we also go a step farther as well. And as you can see, if you're looking for cash flowing properties, we have what we call our GRI sort. This is the gross revenue income. So we have properties here that are already showing the gross revenue, so you don't have to reach out to anyone to get the rents or anything like that. So essentially, all you'd have to do is come through there. You could do the map view like this, or you could go to the tile view as well, and you can just comb through and go search all of them like that. If you wanted, and say you were only interested maybe in, let's say, this Midwest area around, let's say around maybe Indianapolis here, zoom in here, and it will resort them really fast, or fast enough. And then we can go to, you can stay in this and you could sort it this way. Or of course you could go back to the tile view and now you could find properties that are in your desired location that are already generating revenue, so that you'll be cash flowing from the day that you close. So that's the gross revenue income portion of our platform. Makes it super easy to find properties like this. We are the only platform that does this. Other ones have estimates, and we have those estimates as well, um, that you can see here. If we're jumping into our estimates, we do estimates not just for our properties that are tenant occupied, but we actually do estimates for the all of the MLSs that we have, which is over 600, or roughly about 600. So that means, we do estimates on all those properties as well, so that if you want to look in an area that maybe doesn't have a lot of tenant occupied properties right there, you could look and you could find those estimates very easily, and buy those properties if you want as well. So that's all for today. You could use the promo code YouTube to get percentage off. And the plans are pretty cheap, starting at about $50 a month for this basic type package. We have a more advanced package where you can actually see the properties for rent in the area. Let me see, I can pull that up for you guys right now just so you can see it. That's going to be a little more expensive, because it brings everything into one package so that you can even underwrite the properties right here by seeing that. Okay, this one right here, 2 bedroom, 1 bath, right next door is, monthly rent's 1,000. And you can go through all these and you can see we pull so much data in here for you to be able to easily accurately get the monthly rents for properties that maybe aren't tenant occupied as well. So that gives a brief little overview of our premium package as well. So if you guys got any questions, you can email us. I'll put the email information down below, as well as our sign up link, so that you could easily start finding cash flowing properties. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.